Thinking of taking a car loan? Hold on. While it's common knowledge that you pay a down payment and the bank finances the rest, the loan repayment period can extend up to 7 years. However, the loan tenure you choose directly affects the interest rate, making it crucial to carefully evaluate this before applying. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 tips to help you avoid wasting your hard-earned money by rushing through the car loan process. Generally, a loan is approved when the CIBIL rating is above 750 points. In that case, there are chances for the applicant to bargain for the lower interest rate, which generally a loan applicant does not do. Before applying for a car loan, one must do some research work to fish out the interest rates of various banks and then only apply for the loan. If he or she has done that, it will be helpful for it at the time of bargain over the interest rate. This LTV ratio is the proportion of the net finance that a loan applicant would get from the bank. Generally, none of the bank funds 100% of the showroom price, but it is advisable for the loan applicant to do the down payment as much as he or she can because it helps them lower the interest rate that leads to lower EMI. So do not put pressure on the lending bank to fund a higher percentage of the car price. It leads to higher interest rate and higher EMI, which might become an extra burden on your monthly budget. While opting for a car loan, the loan applicant must keep his or her eye on the EMI he or she will have to pay after availing the car loan. It helps them assess the affordability of the EMI. Most of the lender offers up to 40% of your net monthly take-home salary as EMI, but taking the higher side of the EMI may affect your monthly assignments like investments, monthly expenses on households, etc. Lastly, processing fee is also an important variable that one must pay attention while applying for a car loan. It has been found that during festive seasons, lender offers zero processing fee but inflate the interest rate to pay the waiver. So, while going for the car loan, an applicant must keep his or her eye on the processing fee and the interest rate. For more such videos, do follow Zee Business.